Андыр кубаны кылбаларды ошо.
No fort yet, but spotted some hostiles.
Let's use the drone to clear them out.
Affirmative. As expected, terrain doesn't match the ISR.
Nothing we haven't dealt with before. Let's take out the hostiles, then recon the area. The fort vantage point can't be far off. Engaging! How's it looking, Gecko?
Eye in the sky, advancing. Hostiles down. Drone's too far out.
Come on, Gecko. Let's move. Come on, Marine. Hustle.
И так нажимаю. А, обратно как? Дефить. Ну, А, все.
Still no visual on the fort. It's out of range.
Must be deeper in the valley. Mount up. Mills. We're heading deep into Pax territory.
Wish it were under different circumstances, Dagger 1-3.
So do we, Mills. So do we. What you waiting for, Gecko?
We all feel Carter's loss. But having you lead the team, Murphy, is the greatest way to honor his sacrifice.
Hey, heading to the fort now.
In order to launch a full-scale assault on Pax's Tajik base, first we need to disable their network of SAM sites, targeting the data links connecting them.
Copy that.
The base is holding an arsenal of hypersonics, complete with a payload containing a dangerous new compound called NXC. Hemlock's on the ground to assist on your objective. Good luck, Marines. Mills out.
Mills put you back in the field, huh?
I'm not replacing Carter, if that's what you think. I'm here because I can help with disarming the missiles.
That all?
I'll never pass up a chance to get up close and personal.
You're as crazy as Kincaid.
Take some Bagman to catch one.
Lost signal with the drone.
Прикольно.
That's our spot. Clear the ruins. We'll use this position to get...
Roger that.
А,
40 meters! Marksman down! Lope, you got rear security.
Roger. You see him?
I see him. There's a lot down there.
We focus on the ones in the village. And in the farm. And then one on the lakeside.
What about the one from the briefing near the mountains?
That's our last target. But we can't confirm visual from this position.
Альфа, Браво.
It's out of line of sight by the dam.
This'll work.
We knock out the data links. And the rest of the SAMs talking to them are no longer operational. Creating a black hole. And bringing down the entire system. And then we get our air support.
There's a lot of enemies near those sites, and I'm seeing hubs containing reinforcements around the AO. We should deal with them first, unless we want to make things more interesting.
Wouldn't be Dagger without insurmountable odds.
Gotta hand it to Pax. They picked a solid location for a defensive stronghold. Only one way in by land, flanked by mountains. Look at it.
We got a picture-perfect view in your talking strategy. Carter really did rub off on you.
Coach Carter. Always business.
Murphy.
Listen up. We have our targets, so let's execute. Gecko, you got point. Let's go bust up Pax's party.
Что мне делать? Что это было? Его надо бабахнуть, да? Понял.
Get eyes in the sky.
Launching frag!
Это я случайно. А, во.
Hey, we should focus on taking out the reinforcements before moving on the primary objective.
Drone's too far away, losing contact.
Let's move.
Right on target.
плохая. Кто-то по фамилии.
Sniper down! Drone is out of bounds.
Nasıl havalı onları?
I'm reloading! Losing signal with the drone.
Reloading! Cover me while I reload!
Kan da bağlıları. Ağlayacak.
Camp cleared. Let's move.
Marksman down!
Between the eyes! Advance!
Drone's been neutralized. Shooter down!
Clean kill.
Kanına bağırıydı onu. Ameliyattan bittik bitti he drone'dan. Abo. Я вас понял. Aya. Patatalları dövelim.
Shoot her down!
Keep pushing! Keep moving! I need cover fire! Reloading!
Да кылар, бля. Аме кылар.
Marksman down!
Keep moving! Go, go, go! Right, RPG! 60 meters! Low!
Sam is no longer operational.
Roger that. Data link is down. Let's move on to our next target. We're gonna have company real soon. One down. 3 to go.
Drone is down.
Gecko, check out that alarm. Let's move. There's a data link in the farm.
Good job! No more reinforcements! Go, go, go! Reloading! Keep them off me! Shotgun! 60 meters! Low ground! Keep going! Don't let up! Cover me while I reload! Grenade! Incoming!
Uy bu. А, граната. Мимо, брат, мимо ты попадаешь. Мимо.
RPG right here! Taking heavy losses!
Sniper neutralized!
Launcher! 60 meters! Low! Cover me!
Launcher down!
Reloading!
Launcher down!
Хая, точь тебе. دجا الخانة بيت نكو بردوتة يدقق مرة بتغير رتيبك
Could use this.
Launcher! 40 meters!
Lost contact with the drone. They shot it down.
RPG! Long range! Top side! Sniper! Long range! Top side! Swapping mags!
Sniper neutralized!
RPG at long range! On the move!
ايوه ولا يا
Front! Launcher! Long range! $11 RPG! Long range! In position! Grenade! Front! MG! 60 meters!
Engineer, KIA!
واو
Cannot lose this fight! Down!
Data link is destroyed.
Copy that. Eyes and ears alert. We're not done yet. They're sending in more troops! Nice work, Gecko. Alarm down. That's 2 down. 2 left. Shut that fucking alarm down!
Shotgun is down!
Front! Launcher! Long range! Top side! I can't make it! We locked in rock! Drone smoke!
Engineer, KIA!
I can't make it! Need help!
сюжет канонів помер будем.
I need help! I'm hit!
هيا دغور الان هي نو Bütüler be vakfette. Погнали дальше. Сатор английская, а это скало. Там твой гуамбайт. Английская болара. Володянин, да? Алым бітті. Нахуй. Так жердік астан. Опять что заново, да? О, ну по бокам ёлан. Ага, на там был батарея, тахтар кадагда. На там был батарея.
Front! MG! 30 meters! Higher ground! Cover me! Reloading! Front! Marksman! 50 meters! Topside! Front! Sniper! Long range! Lower ground!
Ay, ala ragin.
Enemy in cover! Sniper rifle right here!
Oh, boo.
Shoot her down! Target above neutralized! Sniper neutralized!
Атакантан бомбиң нарыйды мен айдабатым. Ал тураганда. Дебил.
Cover me! Reloading!
Аты не бет чабыдык тахатын ратар. Тахыятты хана сал. Эки камера тыйлы. Ойда.
Launcher down!
All SAM links in the TAI are down, Dagger. Nice job. Last data links farther out, past the hydroplane. Let's move. Picking up Pax chatter. They're sending in reinforcements.
Drone's too far out!
Stop that alarm!
Нахуй.
About time. Those fuckers would have kept coming.
Drone's been neutralized.
Хватит.
Elevated target eliminated! Launcher down!
Ha sesi vardı oldu iki kim var?
Tango above is down! RPG down!
Front! Shotgun! Move! Long range! Higher ground!
Drone's too far away, losing contact. Drone is down.
Don't let up!
Set, ready for impact.
On your left! 60 meters!
큰 열어 tutaydır.
Keep moving!
Abi bu yollarda.
Shotgunner down!
Push forward! On your mark! Push forward! Keep going! Don't let up!
Nan nahıy.
Go! Go!
Ey bu ne?
Cover me while I reload! Hostile eliminated.
Daha kadar şu şuran bıraktı. Şimdi vakti. Oo, ne varlar o vakti. Ne var o vakti? Para bitti hadi hani.
Gecko, the gate.
Marines, movement dead ahead. Armor, 600 meters.
Fuck. They're coming in hot. Set up defense. Hemlock.
Çok dillere bit olur. Çat diyor ağzına.
Gecko, you're up. We'll cover you.
А как управлять?
pressure. That makes two. Solid hit. Well executed, Gecko. That armor's toast. Clean execution. Good work, Gecko. Let's get through the hydro plant. Copy.
Cleared out our first set of SAMs.
Çalıyor videolar gece internet böyle.
Heavy resistance around that site. Axel know what our objective is. On me, team. Front! Monster! I need cover fire! Reload!
RPG down!
Ha, güzel alırdı.
Stay alert. Place like this could be dangerous. Watch your rounds.
Yeah.
Gecko! We got an ISB inbound. Get down. On the move! Avoid the pipes!
Фейерверк хотите устроить? Да, улети.
Target above neutralized!
Get to Murphy! He's down!
Еба. Побежали, побежали, побежали.
Lost signal with the drone.
Sniper! Gecko! Now!
Убито.
Motherfucker!
Target down!
Lopez! Lopez! Sniper is down!
Hey, low. You good? Yeah, I'm good. All right. We have our objective to complete. Let's move!
Это дальше ворота. А то машины инден тема хопшир. Вот тут.
Another convoy
Suspicion.
incoming.
Товары
Deploying Switchblade. Switchblade set up.
Gecko, use that switchblade.
Focus on the convoy first!
Using the switchblade is our best option.
Да ну нахуй.
Keep it up!
Drone is out of bounds.
Gone.
Estoy, boludo. Aşağı bir yerde o. Evet.
Pax didn't know what did it.
All in a day's work.
Murph, look, the thing with the sniper, I just...
I get it,
Abi, mısına odun hastır.
but if one of us wavers, we all do.
Otobanına
Murphy's
batırın
right.
indim vardı
We're
hatta.
in this together, and we get out together.
You know it.
Raiders. Our last AAA's at the dam.
Hikayeline bit. Batırının bitti emin.
Back there with Lopez. You handled that well.
Hope so. Emotions are high, but like you said, we just gotta get through this. Together.
We've lost our eyes in the sky.
Looks like we're going on foot.
Would you look at that? That SAM site is on the hillside past that dam.
We've come this far.
One final push. You ready?
Let's do this.
Oh, vad pa? Kahiril hefti John. Kanlara keyini gördüm bu batakta. Paraga middedi. Birim batacanlar bağlar dedim.
RPG down!
बोला उन्हें पात्रिक हुआ बच्चा हेरिया तो गुने में पात्रिक है इधर दिन अब तमात पार
MG down!
Bula patron надо демеха. Снайпер патроном bitti.
Got a grenade! There's ammo here.
Опа. Махталить это.
Weapons free! On me!
Elevated target eliminated!
Oh,
I'm hit! Hold the line! Reloading! Keep going!
обытай, блин.
Stay low! Keep moving!
Öldü de, ölmedi. Это я не понял. Блять. Хата порос.
Pacifier! Reloading!
Патрики.
Ammo over there!
Здесь. О, жестко. Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй.
Enemy down.
Abi çok kayıyor. Çok da devrini.
Front! Launcher! 40 meters! Hostile! Using cover! Find cover!
Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй. Ай-яй-яй-яй.
Frag!
Мегоча.
We have visuals! Empty! Reloading!
Ух ты. Русский перевод по отдельно.
There it is.
Low! Advance and cover your sector! Hemlock, cover a 6! Roger! On it!
We take out that last data link and the sky is ours for the final run on Pax's base. Let's get
Я
it
так
done.
ancora venuto torari.
RPG!
Hemlock! Regroup at the end of the dam. We'll work our way up to...
О, хатак бардыгыны. Алларанан бардың де.
Murphy, they're okay. It's not like before.
Как-то ловушкой воняет.
I'm good. Ladder. Shotgun! 40 meters!
Büyüme gelirleriyim ben. Aya. Aya. Zeyba. Meçe onu hepti. Ha? Барали алларды. Хан, а вот аяка дехтар лужалилер, что ли?
push, Dagger.
Oh,
Let's finish this.
мотик.
Never thought I'd be glad to see another PAX vehicle.
All right, on me. Final AAA, up ahead. Launcher! Yes, ma'am. Final AAA ahead. Give it all we got. Copy that.
واحد خلينا نقول آه. Здесь мясо один.
Tango above is down!
Need a reload! Cover my six!
Take it out, Gecko! Dagger, provide covering fire!
Когда ты?
Explosive planted!
Уйду. Иди. Уйду. Винчестер. А нахрена? Кто это упай?
Come in, Dagger 1-3.
Copy.
Our systems show the SAM network is operational. It didn't work.
The network is rebooting?
You gotta be kidding me.
The entire system will be back online in 5 minutes.
Then we blow the dam, take out all the SAMs.
You
Wow.
can't be serious. Murph,
It's the only way to be sure.
You heard Hemlock. Move quickly.
Destroying the dam takes down the
Воля,
network.
капи.
We got our orders.
Чё-то
Let's
лагово.
execute.
The NATO Global Response Force is counting on you.
А так заебись вообще, чё какой телевидение.
Gecko, make contact with Viper.
Roger. Viper 1-1, this is Dagger 1-3, request immediate CAS, over.
This is Viper 1-1, Dagger. Standing by for target mark.
We are a soft element southwest of the target area. Target is reinforced concrete dam with enemy personnel along the spillway.
Только
Target
базар
currently being
терпит.
marked. Confirm target location and call visual. You are cleared hot, over.
Dagger 1-3, Viper tally target location. Visual friendlies.
Бегать треба.
Weapon away.
Gecko, get it done so we can exfil.
Fuck. Murph, we got 2 AAAs on the dam.
4 minutes until the network's back online.
Viper 1-1, abort, abort, abort. We have AAAs on the dam, over.
Confirm. Abort. Pushing back to holding.
No way Viper can get in range for weapons release.
We wait any longer, those SAMs will be back on.
Wi-Fi где-то да. Wi-Fi ему где-то
Get
было.
the fuck out. Let's move, people. Come on.
А, чё вы пешком пошли-то? Почему у нас машины, эти квадроциклы же есть? А. Извиняюсь.
Everybody set? Set. We're set. On the move. No time to waste. Don't need to tell me. That helo's bringing in reinforcements.
Бля, рычарак. Тоқтау күнде ана бакын.
Front! Launcher! At distance!
Айо, бля. Пошел нахуй.
Engineer, KIA!
Need some first aid over here!
SMG down!
Dagger. AAA needs to be shut down for Viper to do a clear run. Running out of time, Dagger.
Reloading!
Get into position.
Solid hit.
Stay low. Keep moving. Providing cover. Reloading. They're using cover.
Set, ready for impact.
Grenade! Fight cover!
Yeah.
We're not done, Marine. One more to go.
I'm moving. Get down covering fire. Reloading. Forward.
Бля.
Reloading!
I'm moving. Southeast. Target taken.
Hayat. Ay ay
I need suppressive fire.
ay 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 ay. Doktor, انت مين ما نتو قلنا ده هابني شو ده هو هابين барболу раз два есть здесь.
Explosive planted!
We got tanks on either side of the dam. Fall back. Save your ammo, Marine. Won't make a dent.
Оба, оба.
Come on, Marine. Hustle.
Оба.
Attack. We got tanks on either side of the dam. Fall back.
Еба.
Front, tank.
Over here.
Ah. Ah.
Covering!
нахуй. Да. Жёстко. Жёстко.
You know, I always hear the same stories about the Great Wall of China. Like how it took over 2,000 years to build, or how it's like the only human-made object visible from space.
Apocryphal,
Yeah, you can see lots of things. Some dams, even.
not the one in Tajikistan.
No. Not anymore.
But you know what I don't hear very often? About that huge fucking wall.
That it didn't work.
Exactly. It didn't work.
Ай.
This is it. This is what she's been hiding. What we've been after.
Don't look at it!
You know it's on the list.
You don't know their names. They're operating inside packs, destroying them from within. My people!
People like Kincaid!
Доктор мыйхамандык барап көрчү. Аргыт. Мында бар это да. Пари. Ту арарастым батта карой. Олу. Олу она, короче, переводчик. Брана я гостю это. Вот тебя стани. А, шагни. Лучше.
Sure beats me back at Langley.
Конечно, лучше, чем
Echo's
вернуться.
right. You are crazy.
О, право, ты сумасшедший.
I'm making a difference.
Я добавляю перемен, здесь нет никакой
Dagger
пригорей.
1-3 actual. This is Sergeant Ty. We just saw your handiwork. Airspace is clear for our pilots. Alright.
Воздушное пространство свободно.
We have 4
Хорошо,
hypersonics
теперь
to disable.
не успеваю.
Carrying an NXT warhead. These missiles travel at Mach 5 with an intermediate range between 620 and 3,700 miles. Simply put, once launched, they could hit mainland Europe within 30 minutes. Coming up on that ridge is our overlook. Beyond, the Pax outpost.
Right up there.
Once past the outpost, we'll need you to target the base as part of our air interdiction strategy. Taking out Pax's reserve, vehicle depots, and supplies. Once complete, it's a straight run to the base from there.
Copy that. You heard Ty? Yeah.
Ooh.
All right, shooters. Dismount. We walk from here.
Pax patrol up ahead.
Dagger will proceed with a frontal assault. Pull back. Follow our lead.
Roger that. See you on the other side, Murphy.
All right, team. Head on attack.
You say
Let's move.
Copy.
Front marksman! 60 meters!
Firing!
Reloading! Marksman eliminated!
А, ой, бля.
Changing loadout! Marksman down! Launcher eliminated!
Sniper! Long range! Low!
Spare rifle here! Clean kill.
Sniper neutralized!
Keep pushing!
Need to reload! Keep going! Don't let up! Sniper neutralized!
Я не потеряю, ти учи мене там. Ей!
Sniper rifle here!
Та, мене мій снайпер
Swapping
дохнув.
out kit.
По снайпер багила.
Assault rifle here!
О, труп торгуть, але йде.
What's next, Ty?
Your team will focus on the silos and the Alpha and Bravo zones. We'll take Charlie and Delta.
Roger that.
Once they're all disabled, we regroup at the bunker. Good luck, Dagger.
Gotta love a challenge.
Gecko, call it in.
Viper 1-1, this is Dagger 1-3 actual. Targets in place for attack aviation, over.
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, on approach.
Copy that, Viper. Air support inbound.
What about the silos? Got a visual?
4 confirmed.
Like the briefing said,
Doesn't hurt to be sure. You 3-letter guys never do your due diligence?
That's our cue.
Єб!
Any station, we need some assistance in breaching the perimeter wall.
Я здесь мясать конкретно.
Good copy.
Опа.
Armor coming through.
Sniper neutralized! The wall's destroyed! Dagger, on me! Sniper neutralized! Target above neutralized! Need to reload!
Мгм.
MG down!
Dagger, we're advancing past the perimeter.
Copy. Through the wall!
А, бафтун такая. А, вот это...
I'm out! Reloading!
Блядь, буру хоть дрочку.
Marksman down! All out! Hey, ammo over there. MG down! Reloading! MG down! Sniper neutralized! Ty, sit rep.
Swarming us. Progress to Charlie is slow.
Copy that, Quebec. We're closing in on Alpha.
Copy. Make contact once you reach the first silo.
Take these rounds.
Frag out! MG down!
А я, can you tether bot you?
Keep moving.
Heavy gunner eliminated!
Moving.
Our Air Force has been hard at work.
Fuel tanks, planes. They've got no runway.
And even if they did, they don't have ATC anymore. Couldn't have happened.
Бля, крысалар мевалар bitti.
It's giving us the edge, no doubt about it.
Front, marksman! 60 meters!
Keep away from the fuel tanks. They can still go up.
Coming down. Reloading. Keep them off me. 40 meters.
Need a reload!
Dead center.
Marksman down!
Front. Marksman. Long range.
Heavy gunner eliminated! Heavy gunner eliminated!
Sniper! 60 meters! Elevated!
Need some reload. Cover me.
Sniper neutralized! Engineer, KIA! Cover me! Reloading! We're back. Status report.
We're still advancing on Charlie Silo. We're up against heavy resistance.
Viper 1-1 in your airspace. Confirm visual on 1
Anyway. Ну, на, все, выбирай что ли. Пошел на.
We can't move forward.
Dagger, fall back!
Get your cover.
Contact!
А, тебя понял.
Murphy, now! Solid head!
А я собака.
Take it down.
Woo! Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about!
Угу.
Nice shooting, Murph.
We ain't out of the woods yet.
Come on. Gotta follow the enemies to Silo Rock. We're gonna need this.
Бардует. Ай, ладно.
Front! Sniper! 30 meters!
Там навари снайпер, да. А я.
Reloading! Keep him off me! Sniper neutralized!
А, бля.
Hemlock, that's the first missile. Make it fast.
А.
The NXC's missing!
How long till operational?
Not long, cover me!
Covering! I got security.
This one started. Sure as shit the other ones have too.
We're back. You read?
Loud and clear, Dagger.
We got a situation here. The Alpha NXC is already mixing.
Roger that. We've reached Charlie. We'll confirm once it's down.
Done!
Let's move. First silo down, Ty. Moving on to Bravo.
Pax activity is fierce. They're circling the silos.
Скоро был
Those
бомба.
missiles are our targets. Expect heavy resistance.
Copy that. Godspeed. Weapons hot. Packs know we're coming. Viking 5-2, dismount! We need that tank!
that, Ty. Hustle up. We ain't got long.
It's mixed. Murphy, the only option is to pierce the casing.
Will that work?
If we're lucky. If not, the nano compound will destabilize and obliterate us and everything within the area. Fuck.
Ty, the NXC at Bravo is fully mixed. If Delta's the same, you'll have to pierce the casing.
Understood.
You know what that might mean?
We know. Focus on you and yours, Murphy.
Hemlock, lower the launcher.
Dagger, cover my six!
Cover me while I reload! MG down! Light him up, Dagger! Enemy using cover!
Ya Hayuti topla.
Gunner down! Hemlock. Do it.
Casing is pierced. Bravo down. God, we made it.
Final stretch, Dagger. Head to the bunker and regroup with Quebec there. After that, we can flush out Kincaid.
Briefing suggests control room.
А, бля,
That's where we're
Влад.
headed.
Ну, нихуя стананти, Димбы. Ха-ха.
If that missile launches, well,
It won't leave the ground.
die.
It was an honor serving with you, Dagger. Give him hell.
Для меня честь служить с вами.
The honor was ours. Die. Get to cover! Eyes up. Mills, you're coming in broken but readable. Over.
Murphy, are you safe? What the hell's going on?
We're back. All KIA.
Yeah,
And others.
всё в порядке.
The NXCs?
И
The hypersonics are off the board.
Good. Kincaid should be in that bunker.
Why not level it? We've already knocked out the NXCs.
Negative. I need positive identification that the HVT is eliminated. Mills out.
Boss. What do we
что
do?
нам делать?
We've run Kincaid to ground.
Мы его пережили. И да, вот
Everything he's done. Everything he took from
просто
us.
да.
It ends here.
Ну, это вс-
He's tested us. Made us question each other. And our place in this fight. The hell we've been through.
это
The
ебать.
people we've lost.
Вот.
Let's not let that be in vain. We decide how this ends. Not Pax.
Решим, как
Always
все это
faithful.
закончится.
Always
Всегда
forward.
вернее.
Always forward.
There
Всегда
ain't
на
nobody I'd rather be in this
направленном
fight with. Y'all ready to finish this? Got an ID tag here.
In cover!
Hello, stomach. А? Хули ты пикаешь? Ай. Тора аля...
There's an
Take the
SMG
ammo.
if you need it.
On my six! Movement! Weapons on!
Murph, target the fuel tank.
We clear?
Clear.
Clear this side.
Room's clear. Damn it! The way to the elevator's been destroyed.
Murph, that wall. We can set charges. Might lead us somewhere.
Yeah, right into a Pax mess hall.
It's worth a Hail Mary. Get in! Stand back!
Through here!
Mills, route to the first level's blocked. We've gone through a wall on the right.
Follow the supply room round and head up the stairs.
Where'd we be if it weren't for blueprints?
Fucked, that's where.
Stay alert. Pax could be anywhere.
All this time, Pax was planning on launching NXC across mainland Europe.
Not just Europe. Who knows where else?
This is what they stand for. Chaos. Don't ever let that cloud your judgment.
It's never that simple. You've been around long enough to know that.
This place is a damn maze, with a rat waiting for us at the end of it. How can you be sure?
He's not been anywhere else. This feels like Kincaid just waiting for us.
Toxta. Orayı.
Contact, front! Drone destroyed! Drone operator down! Sending frag! Tossing frag! Drone operator eliminated! I'm dry! Need a reload! MG down!
Keep moving! Clear of hostiles.
واضح.
Frag out!
Bak kimde o kulağları. Ладно.
Control room's on the next floor. We go up.
Come on, let's go.
We need to use the elevator.
Come on, Murph. Final push.
Dagger, check your corners. Remember, he's a slippery bastard. No distractions. You get the shot, you take it. Copy?
Copy.
Whatever he throws at us up there, remember we still get to choose how it ends.
No quarter given, Marines. On my lead.
Move now!
Empty! Shotgun is down! Sending frag! Throwing frag! Drone operator eliminated! Room clear!
Come on, Murph. He's through here.
가다 간다. Нам был батав, что ли? Хамбаров, ну чё. Тоқтық үште. Айта өтім, қанам бар дөлір екен. Ой. Извиняюсь.
Lope, Hemlock, provide cover for Gecko and me.
Doğru. Bunu huşayla toқтық.
Kincaid can't get away again.
What's your flank?
No hesitation. You learned your lesson from the last time, eh, pal? Oh, Carter would be proud. Funny, guess some men just have to play the hero.
And some men just can't shut up.
Already been burned, pal. Got scars but feel nothing thanks to Carter. Although he got his though, didn't he?
Watch this piece of shit. Mills, confirm Jack Bar on Stonegate. Target is wounded but stable.
Muhtarın tanırı min.
Getter says hello.
You were told to shut up!
Shut this down, Murphy.
We're bringing him in.
He can't leave this facility.
Ask her why she wants me dead so bad. You're here to clean up a loose end.
Hem bir kaçtı ya kaçtırdı.
Same as Carter.
I'm her recruit. All this time Pat's had the backing of the CIA, you dumb fuck.
Mills!
What the fuck are you talking about?
It was all her doing, along with her cronies. They needed a big bad.
He's lying.
They fucking got one.
Georgia, Brooklyn, Carter. It's because of him. Dylan, we are doing our patriotic duty. This is how we stop this. This cannot happen again. It dies with him.
Our job
To
is...
follow orders. I'm ordering you, Marine, to finish the mission.
She'll bin you, just like me. You signed up to be a soldier, not a CIA hatchet man. Don't let patriotism get in the way of logic.
Dylan.
Secure him.
How long have you had an assassin on your team?
Hemlock.
Come on, you're all too smart to be dancing to her tune.
What's wrong with you?
Stonegate is down. He was reaching.
That knife. Mills. Mills, do you copy?
Bombs are here.
They're gonna level this place.
Kincaid said it. We're collateral.
She's gonna fucking burn us all.
Dagger, move! Now!
Air support, come in! Dagger 1-3 are still in the facility! Do you read? Comms are blocked!
It's Mills!
Through here! We gotta move! We gotta get the hell out of here!
They're coming in for a second shot!
Get in! Ask me later. We gotta go.
Lan para gitti.
answer for this. All of it.
I've got a solution.
Fuck you! You just gunned down our solution.
It was never gonna be Kincaid. Men like him only care about chaos. He'd slit your throat rather than cooperate. We need another approach with Mills. And her allies.
Whether we like it or not, we're finishing this. Together.
You better hope she sings. Cause Pax are gonna throw all they got at us. The brakes are off.
Кто эрги турur эддәвәтү?
Yes, I have plants within Pax. Nearly a dozen.
Да у меня есть
I'm
заводы.
her only lifeline, and
Приказ
Kincaid
почти
knew it.
девушка.
He sent it to
Я
me.
их единственная пара, и
and take them
Кинкейд
out.
это знал.
Maybe.
Он послал меня.
The team was coming to extract you. You had a go bag
Приехал,
packed
чтобы
and ready.
забрать тебя.
Always have a bag packed.
You tried to kill us.
Ты пытался
You
убить
deny
нас.
you sent B-21s to bomb us out of existence.
That was the
Кто
hardest call
был?
I've ever had to make in my career.
You built Pax. You diverted the funds and trained the operatives to
Чтобы
construct your own
создали собственную частную армию.
It was sanctioned.
Не частная, это было санкционировано.
You think I built Pax alone? It's been building for
Вы думаете, я строил
thanks to entrenched political powers,
в
the military
одиночку?
industrial complex, and the CIA.
Его
All their
создавалось
interests can-
целое
I'm a part of
поколение.
it, but still
Благодаря
just part. Our country thrives with a common enemy. It's what holds her together.
We've got no shortage of enemies.
No shit. It's too fucking messy. These guys consolidated every flag-burning great Satan shouting death to America chanter on the planet into one bucket. That a whisper of nukes or NXC? And ain't that a bad guy we can all share?
Until one of your carefully cultivated assets takes over.
You want us to believe that the CIA
вы хотите,
created
чтобы мы
Pax?
поверили, что ЦРУ создал?
He knows.
Спроси
Kiss my
он
ass.
знает. Поцелуй мне задницу.
I think you tried to kill
Я
us 'cause
думал,
Kincaid was telling the
я
truth.
пытался убить нас.
I think
Потому на Кинкейд говорит правду. Я думаю, вы
She's too dangerous for the
просто...
country.
Успей, да, помнит. Она слишком опасна для
Think you're
страны.
out of it,
Хотите было сложить ее кучу как
I don't
бюро,
do
yes.
executions.
Я
We
не
don't do
занимаюсь
executions.
казнями.
Wait. Okay, my ops are still my ops.
Мои операции
I'm the only one
по-прежнему
to talk to.
остаются
You sure
моими
they even
операциями.
still work for you?
Ты уверена, что
Every
они
person
еще работают?
Believe they were smarter
Ты
than I am
считаешь
is
себя
no longer
умнее
alive.
меня, больше нет живых.
And I've never had to
И,
pull the
и
trigger.
мне никогда не приходилось нажимать на курок.
You must have arranged exfil through Hemlock's contingencies.
Вы должны быть
They're probably in your
организовали
ear right now, telling you
эвакуацию
to keep
через
me in,
Хемлок.
but I'm
Они,
telling you,
наверное, прямо сейчас
If you take
шепчут
me in,
вам на ухо,
they take
чтобы
me out.
вы взяли меня к себе. Но
That's all
говорю,
right.
это наша
What's the plan
ответственность.
here, boss?
She helped
У нас
create
план,
Pax.
босс.
It was her
Она
humanity
помогла
that
создать
stole
ПАКС.
Private Velas.
Именно ее
He was there
человек.
because of her.
Кейт украл проект
Supplied Pax with
Белес.
NXC, and he tried to
Он
kill the
был
president.
там из-за нее.
And he
Он
killed
сам...
Haz.
И
Not
он
only did she
убил
try to
Хаза.
erase us, but she's best pals with the
Она
worst
не
enemy
только
that we've had in
пыталась
decades.
стереть
Every breath
нас
that
с
she
лица
draws
земли.
is another
Да, и
opportunity
стала
to
замешивать.
whisper into their
А,
ears.
меня успеть, давай,
If it's just
короче.
her, but we don't know how high it goes.
You trying to start a war with the CIA?
Вы пытаетесь
I'm
начать
trying
войну
to
с РФ?
end one.
Then how is she useful to us?
That is not the fucking question!
Copy.
You just got the order.
Вы
didn't you?
только что получили заказ, не так ли?
It's official.
Это официально. Я знаю, что я должен сделать всем.
I know what I gotta
Дойти.
do. Everybody, move.
Пах, трых, тых, пух, пух, пах. А почему ручка?
Stopped raining.
Storm's past.
No. It's just a break. Worst is still to come.
Худшее еще впереди. Мерси просто. Мне больше нечего сказать. Угадал. Мятеж, что ли? Это все? А ты куда? Короче, сейчас приду. А, Да, Роман бар була, корек карчогуна. Хай. Хай, то булбатыйды. Барым андан юлар, что ли, чоган. Wala kaya na yun daw.
Jump windows coming up. You got unknown shooters inbound. Consider everyone down there a threat. Stay alert for updates.
А, побри нахуй.
You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
Wave off! Deploy as needed!
Угу. А как открыть? Не открыть, понял. Тугнауны, оружием ханнавары. Пистолет не найдем, что ли? Пять.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Ну, аннара явно тура бар булыкта. Сок, что ли? Oldu koy tanka da. Atmasına.
There's a stockpile in the TA. Locate bolt cutters to breach the weapons cache and secure it before the enemy has the chance.
Йду. О, много еще. Пойдет, сойдет.
Use the cutters to crack open the cache. Grab anything you can use.
Тебя пай.
You've got a friendly rejoining the fight.
Mana kadar ya bunu tu?
Weapon drop rolling in. Be there any second.
Merhaba.
You found the weapons cache. Load up.
Тоже забрал на.
Solid job. Way to go. You've got a new mission ready.
Ай, бля.
I need a fucking medic! I'm hit! I'm hit!
Бля.
Cock and lock. You're heading back in.
Танцуха var da.
Get them back in the fight.
Бля, на гадость Настя.
You should have visibility on the Inferno. Adjust course and stay clear.
ты говоришь, бля?
Support request in progress. Stay put while I zero in on your location. Check your missions. Heads up. Reinforcements coming in hot. Half the fight's behind you. Don't let up. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
좋아.
There's a signal near you. Do what you can to isolate it and figure out what's going on.
А что взять-то, ёпта? Мантайдарымда şeydir. Abi seti ne diye bitti.
Signal strong. Time to start decryption. Mission board is clear. Neutralize threats and stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle. Decryption in progress. Stay alive and stay frosty.
Бля, вот чуга, тоді на ку.
That intel will have a better idea who these hostiles are. Good work. Only the toughest survive. You're proving it. Heads up. Hostiles got their hands on a combat vehicle. I got an anti-armor coming your way.
А, сука, танка дюти. Gel.
Side's been wiped out. We'll get it next time.
Bir de geyneler betüt. Лестница.